What is up, guys? We're back with another video. Just trying to get one uploaded because I haven't done that in a while. So yeah, we're out here clown knife fishing for the third day with well hooked. You
I got another bite. I got one. Grab my phone. It's a clown.
You know?
Yeah, I know how it fights.
Yo, Ryan got a clown.
Video.
Oh, I got one too. Oh,
double header. Clown knife, baby.
yo, what about your other rod? What about your other rod? Yo, right, yeah. Your line's right over mine. Let's go! My first clown! Please. Your line's right up here, by the way. Yo, get the net.
No way, we double header.
Yo!
Yes, Wesley!
Let's go! Yo, get it in. Get it in, bro. Get it in. You better get it.
Yes!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go!
You got recording?
Yeah, I got a recording. Let's go! You're crazy, bro. Let's go!
Let's go, guys! Double-headed clown knife! Alright, guys.
I was about to just release it.
Wesley's gonna release it right now.
He's gonna release on this baby.
Good thing I brought these lip grabbers.
Thank you so much for being my second
Oh,
clown
let's
knife ever.
show a video. He swam off. Now we got this guy. Let's take a video and photo of him.